guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going out today and it's kinda raining, so I thought I will share to you what my OOTD or my outfit for today is on a rainy day in fall season. So yes, I will share to you what I'm wearing for today. Let's go! Presenting to you my outfit of the day on a rainy day in fall season. I'm wearing just this plain all white shirt and my long trench coat with a hood in it, and it's water repellent, with my very comfortable and stretchy gray pants. I'm also pairing it with my water repellent plain white sneakers to complete the look for my OOTD of the day. That's it, guys. My OOTD on a rainy day in fall season. So that's it, guys. That's my outfit for today. A rainy day in fall season. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.